Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. We're wasting time. I thought I would use today, Vlogmas Day 11, to show you the two apps I use to get music into my videos. I showed you a while back app like any downloader, but it quit working. So I deleted it from my phone and I found a backup. So really quickly, let me show you what I use now whenever I'm getting music from YouTube, the free, copyright-free music that you're free to use in your videos. That kind of stuff. Y'all know what I mean. I'm sorry.
Okay, so step one, you need to find a song that you would like to use in your video. Once you find it, you're going to copy it, and then you are going to paste it into Video Saver. It might take just a second. And then whenever you're prompted, choose download. Sometimes it's instant, and in this particular case, sometimes it takes just a minute or so, as you can see in this video. You're going to slide to the left, and you're going to be given two choices. You're either going to send it to your phone, your photos, or you can delete. Once you send to your phone or your photos, you should be able to see it there. Second app I use is my MP3 converter. Open that up, bypass all these little things if you don't want those like I'm doing here, and you should be able to go to the search in the upper right hand corner. Choose from the gallery and select the video that you just saved. And then you should see it converting to just an MP3. You should see those three little dots on the right hand side. You are going to click on those three little dots, and you have the option to send to another app. I personally use iMovie, so this is where I'm going to send it. And I choose the project I want it, and then as you can see, it adds it to the video, and that's where you can hear it now. I hope you found this helpful.
Alright, you guys, that's enough for today. It is Friday, and I'm not going to just walk out of here. I'm going to run. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.